In the last video, we created slices to organize our data. But organizing data is not the same as protecting data. Today, we're building real role-based security. We'll control who sees what data, and we'll customize the interface for different roles. Slices filter data inside the app interface. They control what appears in a view. Security filters are different. Security filters run before the data is sent to the user's device. If a row doesn't match the security filter, it never leaves the server. Security filters protect the data. Slices shape the experience. To build role-based security, the app needs to know who the user is. Each user has a defined role. That role will determine what they can access. But during development, there's a problem. Because I'm still developing the app, I can't easily log in as different users. So I created a simple session table. This table simulates the logged-in user. Whatever email is stored here will act as the current user. Instead of using user email for now, we look up the email from this session table. First, we get the current user's email from the session table. Then, we look up their role in the users table. If the role is admin, they see everything. Otherwise, they only see tasks assigned to them. This controls what data reaches the device. Now that the data is secure, let's shape what each role sees. Admins already receive all tasks because of the security filter. This slice simply displays all of them. Workers are already limited to their own tasks. Now, we filter even further. Workers will only see their open tasks. Security filters decide what data users receive. Slices decide what portion of that data is shown. Admins get a full dashboard. They see open and completed tasks. Workers only see their open tasks. They don't need completed tasks cluttering their screen. Notice how the interface changed automatically. You can even make it more foolproof to protect the data by building in an additional security measure to only let a view be visible to a specific user type by editing the show-if formula. Now the view will only be visible to admin users. Currently, the user is not an admin. Therefore, the view will not be visible. But let's change that. See, now the view is visible since the logged-in user is an admin. When we deploy this app, we replace the session logic with user email. The session table is just for development testing. In the next video, we'll build a custom login and registration system. Instead of manually changing the session table, users will log in properly inside the app. If this helped you understand the difference between slices and security filters, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos.